a video brought to you by BAASS Business Solutions. If you are currently running your business on a BAASS-supported software solution, you might be missing out on the best way to get the most out of your investment, BAASS CCM. Well, what is BAASS CCM? CCM stands for Customer Care Membership, and our plans are designed to assist with all software-related support and much more. As a member, you receive unlimited access to customer support assistance and functionality, troubleshooting, connectivity, maintenance, and much more. Having a CCM plan can shorten your response time from 8 hours up to 1 hour or less. Other benefits of BAASS CCM are support services, including decreased rates and fees, points of contact, professional reviews, updates and upgrades, data health checks, training and updates, including BAASS Educational Series, product update notifications, discounted event prices, remote training sessions, and tickets for BAASS Connect, and Enhancement Tools, BAASS Query Tool, Wise Planner Budgeting, and Payroll Shield. Based on your business needs, BAASS Business Solutions will help to address and advise which plan is best for you. What do our customers have to say? Their business and product knowledge combined with their availability and responsiveness makes BAASS a standout business partner. BAASS was there when I ran into a complete mess with my Sage 300 when we brought on a new team member. Without their quick assistance, we'd still be stuck. We turned to BAASS for sound advice, great recommendations, and excellent support. I couldn't ask for a better support team. Every day I think about how much time, money, and effort we've saved. In summary, BAASS customer care memberships give you access to the support you need when you need it in order to get the most out of your solution, add value through enhancements, shorten response times, and give you quicker access to upgrades and personalized services. Not convinced? Download our brochure and fill out our request information form on our website at www.baass.com/ccm, and we'll have one of our experts reach out to you directly with more details about plans and benefits